Wednesday, everyone. I feel like today is going to be a home vlog, my chores for the evening, and I also placed my order for, so I got her wig, her pants, and all that, and I looked at, like, earrings, like if you mentioned chibi tiny tails, and so, like, there was a Phineas and Ferb one, and even some okay, so enough cuteness, time to get into the real stuff. So sorry if I'm like spoiling this, but well, I was kind of spoiled, but I have an idea who Pirate is, so I'm pulling a Ken, but it's Jeff Dunham. But honestly, if you like watch his show, and he even mentioned, he just swore, so that's Jeff Dunham, I'm telling you. Okay, so the harp from her clues, I'm thinking it's Amber Riley from Glee. Okay, so first we had Pirate right when I was getting ready to sweep the floor. Yes, thank you, Donnie.
Totally something Smigel would do, so I feel like this is me, genius, friend of mine, and friend of the show, a triumph, the insult comic dog himself, Robert Smigel. Pretty good too.
You know, Donnie, who is also a Vegas entertainer, is Terry Bader, right? He won America's Got Talent. He's a famous puppeteer, so it's Vegas week. I'm doubling down with Terry Bader, y'all.
You know, I saw the late night clues, and I'm thinking Saturday Night Live, and then we saw the extra clue about something special. Dana Carvey very famously did the church lady, and isn't that special, on Saturday Night Live? So I'm going to go with Mr. Dana Carvey. All right?
I like it, Robin, but I don't love it. There was that late night thing, like you said, and someone that got their start on a late night show, Jon Stewart's show, was Steve Carell.
Dana Carvey, Steve Carell, some great names. All right, panel.
I mean, Steve Carell's pretty funny.
You know what? It could be Carrot Top for all we know. What if they're tricking us with that Carrot Top clue?
It really could.
Carrot Top.
So now, you're going to Carrot Top? Are you really going to switch
Carrot Top. I know where it goes.
don't think you're right.
Never done it before. Can't wear feelings. Stick with it, Jenny.
All right. How you guys feel about that? All right, panel. The final guesses are in. Let's see if any of you are correct. Audience, say it with me.
Take it off! Take it off! Take it off! Take it off! Come on, Jeff Dunham! Oh my gosh! Come on, show me Jose!
Say it with me.
Take it off! 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 It's tall to be a basketball player. That's what I was thinking, because his clue package said that he's a basketball player, and he said that he didn't make it. I had to go with Jenny's guess on that. So, a little update. After having Stun, getting caught up on The Masked Singer, I went to watching the Tim Tracker. So I got all my floors swept up and cleaned. Although I got my dishes cleaned, letting them air dry, and dust off of my, like, fixtures. Except I realized I forgot to dust this one, but I'll get to it now. My windows are all dusted and clean, and I got, like, 29 minutes of laundry, and then I'm done chores. And my mom, like, set it up. All we need to do is wait for her to get the internet working. So for an early dinner, since I'm trying out this new thing at 7, with this plant-based burrito bowl. A little update, it is 5:45. Rowan should be here in about like 15 minutes or so. And the show actually doesn't start till about 7. Got some money left over on my card. So there was a slight miscommunication. I thought that our date was actually tonight, but it's tomorrow night. And that's what happens when you're, like, in me. This one clip is the most iconic episode in season 5. Probably can't see it, but I got some makeup on and it's like a natural look. Nothing too, like, fancy. And like I said in the Friday's clip, yesterday, that we are indeed going to see Legally Blonde at the high school. So I've already even talked to a couple of my girlfriends who help out at the daycare. And if you hear like any Facebook notifications, probably them, since I started a group chat, seeing like how things are going. And to celebrate my successful date, better than getting some ice cream and watching some Cookie Run stream. And by the way, this isn't sponsored or anything. I just love playing this game because one of my favorite cookies currently carrot cookie. It's Rosina Piancina and Christina Vox is in it, and so many other personal. And yeah, that was my date Saturday, and because it was so late, I didn't get a chance to go camping, and I had to practice the following day. But there are other camping trips. I also want to point out that we did indeed went shopping last night, and since it's like Halloween season, I decided to get something like kind of Halloween-y. So I decked out my bathroom. I was just a hand soap. So we'll figure that out. So sometime later, I'm back from my workshop and I'm trying to keep my voice in check, making sure I'm not like overdoing it, anything. I mean, I'm not like screaming at anyone. Oh, speaking of, I mean, this isn't like an audition or anything. It's just one of the workshops would leave us alone, and I'm very good at acting my emotions, but again, my sore throat, I don't want to like damage it. And that being said, I'm just currently waiting for the latest episode of Dancing with the Stars. And so here is what I heated up for dinner. My like original price. And here's how much I saved, but there was a slight communication with my mom, but we're working through it. So you guys remember me eating this ice cream, and I'll put a link in the description down below. And I just always think of my dog when I'm eating this, because it was like, I'll just not gonna spoil anything, but my mom actually found this, and it looked interesting. And some of these are actually on sale. 30 seconds with my dinner, and I'm going to show you guys. It's been a while since I had a Luna bar, and these are really good, but like my mom said, they're on the expensive side. But as you can have to talk over Frozen 2 is got some fresh fruit Okay, so I remembered my bread last time, and I was running low on milk, so I got my yogurt and a new thing of pears. So I have to talk over the music. I'm going through all the choreography and doing the villain. It was just like a sinus kind of thing, and I've been drinking a lot of fluid and all that, and I just added breathe scent to my diffuser. And for lunch, I figured I would do a grilled cheese with my panini maker and some chips, and I got some almond milk based pudding. So I was actually gonna test my vocal cords by doing come up with my invites on Smule Karaoke. And a little update, it's not as bad, I just can't do it. I mean, I just did, Put a Spell on You from Hocus Pocus. Some of my khakis arrived, well, this is the first two arrived right before I had to leave for, the ballroom thing. I mean, just to check it out. So yeah, all of my costumes coming together. And this was originally going to be my Christmas present, but my mama actually never delivered it to me. So that way I don't have to worry about hand washing my dishes anymore. So here is my dish rack out of the packaging, although I can't do an unboxing with one-handed. I know it's kind of weird showing some of my dirty dishes, but I'll show you the actual setup of this dish rack look like. So I didn't have that many dishes to do today. Okay, so speaking of a crazy day production, I was adding some notes, making sure I'm doing the right choreography. Coming in sometime today or tomorrow. And this, if you guys remember, I haven't published it yet, but this was my getting ready shirt when I was Ursula in The Little Mermaid with My Time to Shine. So yeah, this is my identical outfit to Marinette in Miraculous Ladybug. Happy Saturday, everyone! I have a county tournament, and I'm starting to feel somewhat better to my normal self. And I since I was coughing last night, I went ahead and took some cough medicine, and it's the syrup kind, and as a kid I was not a fan. So hopefully that would get out of my system. And I got my stress-free remedy to help me get ready for the tournament, because if you follow me for a while, I get really competitive being an athlete. But I won't let that stop me. So I got some of my dishes cleaned out for this morning, and my second cup of coffee. According to my cookbook, Swiss chard is the best way to be grown around this time of year. So I got my seeds, so this is gonna be the gardening, and that's the next tournament. And don't mind the microwave, I'm just now heating up my lunch just to soothe my throat. Wrapping up our first round, and I was a little second. Happy Monday, everyone. I'm actually getting ready to head out the door for and I'm gonna show you guys. It is Disney night for Dance with the Stars, and you know what that means. Hey Alexa, play some Disney hits. Oh my gosh, look at everyone! And I'm so excited! Yeah! So this couple's gonna be dancing to one of my favorite musicals on Disney Plus. Oh, let's see what they look like. Oh my gosh. leaderboard. Yes.
Routine to a song from that massive, extraordinary, huge hit show. It's Wayne Brady and Whitney Houston.
Oh, that's why they're dressed up in white. So if you guys follow me on when I
9.
almost a perfect score. So the next couple's gonna be dancing to some High School Musical, the series. They're playing the Muppet theme. Oh my gosh. The nostalgia. Like, oh my gosh, is Jennifer Lewis gonna sing? Aww. Oh wait, she is! And there she is!